Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is John, CEO, founder and VSHR Group. So you are watching the fourth video of the mental model, and if you have missed out the other three mental model, which is very useful as well, which is already published, check out the channel so you can see. You can probably check it out in the top right corner, so you will find the link as well too. So today I'm going to tell you the mental block number 4 in this series. We're going to go total 20 mental block, which will be very valuable for you as a professional or as an entrepreneur in any sort of life. So what is today's one? Today's one, our mental block is invert. Always invert. So how you can use this invert mental model to become successful and professionals, I'm going to tell you right now with my real life practical example. And yes, I always use this way. I'm not just telling you it's good, but I actually use it very often, and I found it is one of the most powerful mental model. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure, thank you.
So let's give a big hand to the studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
It's a very interesting thing is about. Let's ask you a common question. What will make your life miserable? You do drugs, you think always about negative thing, and you always have a bad sleep. You don't sleep, you don't have any, and you have a poor eating habit. That's basically it. So that means how to be happy, you can just simply reverse that one. Like an example, let me give you another example too as well. Let's say about how to fail, right? To fail this one, you gotta be unreliable. You need to be not present. You need to not give enough effort. Give up in 2 or 3 times, and also don't learn anything about to get the new skill. Or you try to do everything by yourself. That's how you'll fail in a particular business. So that's exactly why you have to do opposite to become successful on your mission as a business owner. So this is the way a lot of people always think about finding a solution, because finding a solution is often really hard. Like an example, you are trying to make X, and to making an X, you got to think about so difficult to do it, right? But how about we think about what will not the X? If you just figure it out and list down all, and then just do opposite into it, then you will be able to make X, which is much easier. And according to psychology, say that one, it's much easier to go the opposite direction and then reverse rather than finding a way to improve something. Let me give you a practical example. Everyone will be married, right? So how to destroy a marriage, right? So this could be an example. How to have a successful marriage. Think about so the question is, what will destroy the marriage? What are the things will be destroying the marriage? Being unreliable, cheating, being absent, being financially broken. Let's say top 4, right? So just do opposite of them, and then it will make your marriage successful. Like an example, let me tell you, as a professional, how to get a promotion. So now you think about what are the things will not get you promoted. Number 1, not doing the job correctly. Number 2, not to do properly to communicate with other team members, don't have a teamwork. Number 3, don't understand the company vision and mission. Number 4, don't work with your managers. Top 4. So now you understand, you can just reverse all of them to opposite direction, and that will get you successful. And because these are the 4 things you can easily reverse and do that one. Such an example, you are an entrepreneur. You want to make a successful company. Think about what are the things can make your company unsuccessful then. You can list down all of them, and then you just do opposite into it. This is the success booster card time. So question of the day. What is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more, and this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and commit it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% read that is going to really happen to you. You will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. So here is the way. So Charles Munger also very often uses this mental block as well too. So he often talk about, I know the place where I'm going to die, so I'm never going to go there. So that's basically it. So where are you going to lose money? Where are you going to lose the job? Where are you going to lose the love? Where are you going to lose the happiness? You never go there. You just go opposite into it. And that will get you a completely safe zone to become successful. And there's a lot of people not really understanding inversion rule, and they find it so hard to improve something. Such an example, if you have a particular product, let's say you have a phone, and you want to market more, you want to increase the sale of this phone example. So think about what will not increase the phone sales. You list down all and just invert them what exactly, and then you do opposite into it, and they will find out much easily what are the things you're doing really good, and this inversion will indicate to you where you need to do it. And I was thinking about it before too. When in VSHR Pro Academy, I established, so I had a team of around 5 to 10. So I was thinking about this exactly inverse rule. I want to grow my team. I want to grow the team to 50 people. Right now, it's in 6 months, it's already 50, but I'm talking about 6 months ago in December time, how to grow my team. And then I realized that, okay, how about the opposite? What will not grow my team? I list down all and take the immediate action of what the thing will grow my team. And now, like in 6 months later, I have a team of almost 50 people. And now I already seen that one. We're planning to go to 100 people by the end of the year. So here's the point. You always don't need to think about in the right direction first. You can think the opposite direction or opposite into it and just invert it. And you'll find a lot of exciting, easy way to make something better and get your things done. So if you have any problems understanding the invert this mental model, invert. And if you are trying to implement your life or business or even entrepreneurship life or a professional life, go ahead and comment below. If you have any challenge, myself and my team definitely going to give you an answer. So this is our challenge standard. If somebody put a comment or put a question over there, we answer 100%. And with this one, let's get ready for the number 5 mental block, which I'm going to coming in next couple of days. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button over there so you don't miss the next mental block as well too. And you can check it out, the other 3 mental block, which is already published in the channel. So you can also grab those things. Those are really powerful mental block as well too. So here we go. You're a professional or an entrepreneur. Your destination is to be successful. Use this mental model and become successful. All the best.